So, Toyota has finally revealed the 2021 Fortuner. It's a midlife makeover. It was a long time coming and now it's finally here. Now, the most important bit to the new Fortuner is its sharper new styling. There are, however, multiple variants to choose from. Why I'm pointing this out is because the lower trims look very different from the new top-of-the-line variant, which is called the Legender. Now, the Legender is the one that really has my attention. It draws a lot of design inspiration from the Lexus line. So you see a new sharper element for the headlights. You get a 4-pot LED treatment, very similar to what Lexus does with its SUVs. And right in the center is a grille arrangement, a split grille arrangement, which looks very much like the spindle grille that Lexus likes to put on its cars. Of course, the detailing is different. It's not as complex as what you see on the Lexus, but there is that resemblance between the two, and you know it's a part of the same family. The lower trims get a more sober face. The shape of the grille is similar to the outgoing car, but the two-slat detailing now makes way for a mesh grille. I think it looks quite good. Even the headlamps are different from the Legender. You don't get that 4-point arrangement. You still get a single projector beam, but there's a new LED light signature. I think even that looks quite nice. Now, inside the cabin, changes are even more subtle than what you see on the outside of the lower trims. There is now a new 8-inch infotainment touchscreen. It is compatible with wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In the Legender, you get similar functionality but with a 9-inch screen. Toyota has also thrown in a 360-degree camera. There is LED ambient lighting. There is a new 9-speaker JBL audio. So that's something that we can look forward to. Now, we don't know how much of this is going to make its way to the India model. The cabin is secured with up to 7 airbags, and there's also the Toyota Safety Sense, which now makes its way to the Fortuner, which means you get certain radar-guided technologies like radar-guided cruise control, automated braking, collision prevention, lane departure warning, and all of that. I don't know if this is going to come to the Indian model. Seems unlikely. It's, I think, only the infotainment that will make its way to the updated Fortuner when it comes to India. Now, the big change to the Fortuner, apart from the design, of course, is under the hood. The 2.8-liter turbo diesel has now been upgraded to put out 204 PS of power and 500 Newton meters of torque. And Toyota says that despite the uprated power and torque, the fuel economy is better than the outgoing model. Even the emissions are cleaner than the outgoing model. Now, I doubt if this new engine will make its way to the Indian model. They recently upgraded the 2.8 in India to be BS6 compliant. In fact, they even increased prices on the BS6 range yesterday, and I think that engine will continue to do duty even when the new Fortuner comes to India. So when does this new Fortuner come to India? Well, early 2021 is what we are hearing from our sources close to Toyota. Q1 of 2021 is a safe bet, is what I believe. Now, this model will certainly be more expensive than the outgoing car with the host of new features that it's going to bring in. Will it be worth it or not is something that we'll only be able to tell you once we drive the car. But as of now, the update looks good. The equipment upgrade also looks good, and that's something worth waiting for.